Hello, this is Lynn McCool again, and today I want to give you the second half of our slide deck on using style in technical writing. Today we'll look at persuasive style, its use and purpose. Persuasive style can add to your writing by giving it emphasis, energy, color, and emotion. We can accomplish this through 4 persuasion techniques called elevate the tone, use similes and analogies, use of metaphors, and changing the pace. Let's look now at the methods of persuasive style. First, elevate the tone. Tone is the resonance or pitch that the readers will hear as they read your document. Decide what emotion or attitude you want the readers to adopt. Use logical mapping to find words and phrases that evoke that emotion or attitude. Don't overuse the words, and use the words strategically. Second, you can use something called similes. Similes follow a formula, X is like Y. They are a figure of speech that helps readers to understand difficult concepts by comparing them to familiar things. For example, her hair shone like the sun. Hair and the sun usually are not considered the same, but the simile describes them as shining in a similar manner. Third, use analogies. Analogies like similes follow a formula. Their formula is A is to B as X is to Y. An analogy is a type of argument used to make a connection between two objects or ideas to better explain the first object. For example, coffee is to caffeine as beer is to alcohol. Coffee and beer are both beverages, and caffeine and alcohol are the drugs they contain. Fourth, use metaphors. Metaphors are used to create or reinforce a particular perspective that you want your readers to adopt toward your subject or ideas. For example, a metaphor is a figure of speech that asserts that one thing is something that it literally is not. Here's a quotation from theoretical physicist Albert Einstein, who said, "All religions, arts, and sciences are branches of the same tree." Here we have religions, arts, and sciences being directly compared to branches on a tree. Number 5, you can change the sentence length. Longer sentences slow down the reading pace, while shorter sentences speed it up. Changing the length of sentences can increase or decrease the intensity of your text. Let's test your understanding. Which of the following is true of persuasive style? A. Longer sentences slow down the reading pace. B. An analogy takes the form X is like Y. C. You should use words that evoke emotion often, or D, none of these are true. Hopefully you answered A, longer sentences slow down the reading pace. In technical documents, you want to think about balancing both plain and persuasive style. Remember, sentences should be clear and easy to read. Persuasive style should be used to add energy and color, and you can have the use of tone, similes, analogies, and metaphors in order to encourage readers to see and feel your ideas and argument.